What's the vibes, YouTube? It's your guy Will, back at you guys with another video. Quick unboxing and a little bit of wrenching on this one. Stick around, let me show you what I got. Alright, as you guys can see, we got 3 boxes here. We're gonna do a little bit of unboxing and then we're gonna put these to the test. 3 packages. You guys can tell by Advanblack. These are fairly new. They just released these a little while ago, so I went ahead and ordered these just because I was already in the market for something like this. Right off the bat, this is their front fender protection. So when you're wrenching on the bike, you got some protection on your front fender. You don't scratch it up. Keeps your fender looking nice and clean, or nice and scratch proof. So open this up. Right off the bat, this feels really nice. This is a leather material. This is something I didn't know it had, but it's really nice. I'm assuming this is for your fender to slip in so it doesn't fall off. In the front, you slip it in, and it's got one on the rear. And then for those wondering, you do have this soft velvet-like silk material here, so it doesn't scratch your fender up, so that's nice. As you can tell, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but yeah, really soft material. And we're going to put these right to use immediately because I got a couple things we have to do to the Road Glide to get it ready, just in case we sell this thing out. But a little adjustment over here, you can kind of tighten it up or loosen it up depending on your needs. But that is your fender guard. At this point, if anybody needs or wants Advanblack stickers, let me know, because I get so much stuff from them that I have an exuberant amount. The tank protector. And the neat thing about this tank protector that I liked is, let's see if the picture will show up, but you have little pouches on there for your tools. Store your tools while you're working on it. So everybody knows when we're working on a tank or we're working on the bike, you pull out specific tools, and instead of just putting them back in the box, if you're not done for the day, you just store them in a little pouch, and when you come back the following day, the tools that you've been using are in that pouch. So that's really nice. I like this. I saw it on their Instagram when they posted it, and this is it. A little turtle shell. And then you have a little cup, so to speak, here that you can sit right on top of the tank, throw your screws, bolts, nuts, and all that stuff there. Here's the little pouches that I was telling you guys about. Little net here, and then you have more pouches here. It also has that nice silky velvet lining, so you don't scratch your tank up. Looks like a Ninja Turtle back. 2 out of 3. Let's go ahead and get the last one. I went ahead and cut this one, but I did not pull anything out of it. But we're gonna go ahead and pull it out. It's like hardware. It's like more hardware. This is something that I've been wanting and needing for a long time. The foldable saddlebag storage mount. This is something that I've definitely been wanting, because when we're working on the bike, or not even working on the bike, but just cleaning it, and want to clean that back wheel, instead of storing them on the floor or somewhere else, we can store them properly now. Or even with me with the Lowrider S, there's times when I want to run the bike with no bags at all. Looks like casters. Even got locks on the casters. That's really good. Nice spin on the casters. I was actually not too long ago thinking about building me one of these out of like PVC pipe and things like that, but shortly after, Advan released this, and it's like they were thinking what I was thinking. But no, man, shout out to the good folks over at Advanblack. They are definitely pushing the envelope with new product, new parts. It seems like they are absolutely dropping new stuff every couple of days. The wife is starting to notice the Advan packages keep coming in. All right, we got the saddlebag stand put together, and then I also threw on the fender protector just so you guys can look, because I am taking this off because, like I said, I have to replace the speakers here in the O2 Road Glide, because when I did the fairing exchange or the conversion, the Street Glide, the Road Glide conversion, I ended up using the Rockford speakers that were in here when this was an electric glide. So we are swapping these out today to the right speakers. Rockford, of course, Rockford amp in there, but like I said, we got the fender cover installed because we're taking the fairing off. And then I also wanted to throw this on tank cover on here so you guys could check it out. Really nice, like I said. Got some slots here for some tools and stuff, your hardware and stuff. You could throw all your nuts and bolts and screws in there, so when you're working on the bike, you don't lose anything. So straps are on there. Hopefully my lighting isn't too bad in here, but check it all the way around. More pouches on this side. Of course, a little cubby here. And then you got a couple little netted sleeves here, so really nice. And then we got the saddlebag stand put together. I really like this cut out here, but I took them off the lowrider because on a lowrider I take my bags off a lot, and this is going to be so clutch. What I really like about this is you can screw it to the stand, so you don't have to worry about when you move it around they fall out. They will not fall off. They are nice and sturdy. Really nice. It is a hot day here at home today, so let me get started on this fairing. Swap these speakers out. I just wanted to hop on here, show you guys the new pickups for the garage. That way I can work on stuff, be a little bit more secure with my gas tanks and any future customers' gas tanks and fenders and stuff. Get some protection and stuff. I was already in the market for this stuff. Advanblack, man, does it again. They dropped some new stuff, so had to go ahead and snatch that up. If you guys are in the market for any of this stuff, check out Advanblack. I'll post the links in the description. Little work to do here. Once again, if you guys are interested, as of today, which is Sunday, July the 26th, we have 60 entries left on the Road Glide giveaway. So let's get this thing sold out. If you buy 2 entries, I will give you 1 free entry. That being said, let me go ahead and knock this out. I don't think you guys want to see me swap some speakers out. Just want to say, appreciate you guys tuning in. Like always, like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.